In freezing cold winter, when you are in comfortable sleeping position and have already made your bed warmer, nothing is more frustrating than forgetting to turn off the bed lights. I'm pretty sure that this happens with some of you as well, so comment down who have been through the same situation. And because I'm a lazy person, I did something smart to solve this problem. And this solution is making an
Hey
IoT
Google,
device and using
turn
it
off
so that
light.
I don't even have to open my eyes to turn off my lights.
Oh my god!
As I have mentioned in my previous video that it is by far the best DIY home automation project in the whole internet, or at least for me, because of some exclusive features that I have put into it. If you want to purchase this, contact me. I will be selling a commercial version of it in some time. And follow the video to know more details even if you want to build one for yourself. I will briefly mention all of its features here and provide you the binary code with a circuit diagram in my Patreon page. So visit there if you want them. Well, the first feature is it can power on and off 6 devices and you just blink app to control it. Second one is this. You can also use physical buttons to control the lights and get feedback on your smartphone. Third thing is this. You can use this device without internet as well and behaves completely normal and synchronized if internet comes back afterwards. And now I will explain what synchronizing the online and offline modes mean. So at first I will turn off the light from my smartphone and I will disconnect my router so that it goes to offline mode. And the red LED you see here shows that it is not connected to the internet and will go off once it gets connected to the internet. And now by pressing the button I can still control my light. I will turn on my light. So what if internet comes back again? Will my LED go off? Quickly write your thoughts in the comment. Because my light is still on, the widget in the app gets updated to the on position. Although I had changed my light state when there was no internet. And as you can see, my device is well synchronized in both modes. Fourth feature of my device is that you can also add timers to turn on or off specific switches on a particular time. So this device runs with Blink, can also work without internet, has physical buttons, but now you can also wirelessly insert Wi-Fi credentials into it. And yes, you heard it right. So from now you don't need to hardcode the Wi-Fi credentials into the code. You have to press and hold Wi-Fi and reset button and release the reset button first, then you can follow the video to change the credentials. So drop a like if you think this feature is any good. Fifth special feature is that it can remember its past state even after reboot. So for example, let's suppose if my light was on before reset, then it will immediately turn on after reset and vice versa, because of integrating EEPROM storage for storing the relay state into them.
Hey Google, turn off light.
And also you can use Google Assistant, which I had shown in the beginning of the video with the Alpha IFTTT, and Google Home will be
Hey
integrated
Google,
soon.
turn on light.